Hi everybody, this is a short tutorial to show you how you can use the Linguacious scanning app to scan the QR codes on the award-winning Linguacious vocabulary flashcards. First thing you want to do is you want to go to our home page. You can see the address at the top, linguacious.net. Once you get here, you want to click on Scanner, and you will have the option to download the app either for Android or for an iOS device, which is basically an iPhone or an iPad. Since this is a tutorial for an iOS device, basically an iPad, we're going to click here, and it's going to take us to this second page where you have option 1, which is to download the Linguacious scanner, and then you can click here to be taken to the App Store. Once you're here, if you already have the device installed with our app, you can simply click on Open, or you're going to have to click Download, and then you'll be able to open it. Now it's opening the app, and you can see it's now in full scanning mode. You're going to see our app is extremely powerful. The moment you put the square, the QR code that you can see on each one of the cards into this big square in the scanning app, it's going to play that word by a native speaker of the language. The app is also very easy to use for kids. There's absolutely no ads that we use, and there's also no need to click any buttons if you don't have to. So for those parents that are worried about giving too much technology exposure to the kids, you don't have to worry at all. Let's look at 3 different cards and try scanning them. First one is from our Portuguese animals deck.
A águia.
Second one from our Spanish foods and drinks deck.
La uva.
And the third one from our Hebrew around the home deck.
מצלמה.
As you can see, the app is super easy to use, and you also have the option to turn on a flashlight that will give you the chance to basically scan the cards in the dark. How cool is that? You know, if you're going camping, there's no light, you can actually take the cards with you, press the turn on flashlight button all the way at the left of the app, and it's going to flash the light, and you can now actually scan the cards in the dark. Now, one thing is that this option only works on the iPhone. iPads do not have the option to have a flashlight. They don't have flashlights, so just keep that in mind. And the other cool thing about the app is that if you don't want to keep scanning the same card over and over again, all you gotta do is click the replay button.
מצלמה.
And it's going to basically play the audio from the very last card you scanned. This is it. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Our email is contact@linguacious.net, and we promise we're going to do our best to make sure you get the best out of our flashcards and have as much fun as possible learning foreign languages. Thank you.